to this prostate in the way I drew it today, we have two long structures called the vas deferens. Plural for that is vasa deferentia. So deferens ends with an S, and so you think it should be plural, but it's not. Vas deferens is singular, one of these tubes, and plural is, both of them would be vasa deferentia. They are attached to the epididymis, and the epididymis is attached to a testicle, and the testicles hang down in the scrotal sac, also called the scrotum. Now, unlike the female ovaries, which nature thinks are relatively important, and so the ovaries and the uterus are completely surrounded by bone. The pelvic bone is really, really strong, and it completely surrounds the female reproductive system, so the female is pretty darn important. The male reproductive system hangs out there in the scrotum, waiting for anybody with a big pair of scissors to just come by and do whatever they want to do. So, I'm sorry, I'm just kidding. So, the actual reason that the scrotum, Yasmin has really given me a look. Anyway, the actual reason that the scrotum is hanging down there and the testicles are sitting in the scrotum hanging down there is because sperm cannot be produced unless the testicles are 3 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit or 3 degrees centigrade less than core body temperature. So the scrotal sac is really a radiator to cool the testicles, allowing for sperm production. One day, you characters are going to probably see a patient who has a fertility issue. And if you ask him about his fertility issue, one of the first questions you ask is, what kind of underwear do you wear? Because if he wears tighty-whities, then he's holding his scrotum up next to his body, which warms the testicles. And it is entirely possible that his low sperm count is a result of the testicles being too warm. And so the very, very first thing you say is, give me a sperm sample now, and then start wearing loose boxers or go commando for the next 2 weeks, and then come back and give me another sperm sample. It is remarkable how often the fertility problem simply goes away when men aren't warming their testicles unnecessarily. I have had more than one patient